These Peeps Martinis make a super fun addition to any Easter party. The pink one is a play on strawberries and cream, and the yellow one is a little taste of the islands. Some Pina Colada action, yeah. Both of them are made with a Peeps infused vodka that we are going to make at home, and both of them are really delicious. Cheers! Okay, so for this recipe I am using 2 different kinds of Peeps because we are going to have 2 different kinds of martinis. So I have the yellow and the pink and a couple of mason jars. I am basically just going to put a bunch of Peeps into the jar, and I do want to save a couple for garnish, so I'll probably put 2 to the side for garnish. Peeps into the jar. Very sticky. And you can use whatever kind of vodka that you want. And I'm just going to use this little ramekin right on top. Lid goes on. I just want to make sure my little Peeps are submerged in there. The vodka is already turning pink, look. Ah! Peeps vodka coming up tomorrow. And I am just doing the same thing with my yellow Peeps. This is how we're going to infuse our Peeps with our vodka. This is going to hang out in here overnight. And then we'll make our martinis. Okay, so now that I have my Peeps infusing into my vodka, I'm going to go ahead and make a little bit of colored sugar to rim my glass. And voila, here we have some pink sugar! Yay! And we made it by ourselves. Let's go ahead and drain our vodka. So this is, I should show you from the side, this is the Yellow Peep one. What I'm going to do is strain it. I made a mess. That's okay. Strain it. And for now, I'm going to leave it in this, look at the little Peeps. For now, I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the measuring cup just because that's going to be way easier to pour it to make our martinis. I'm going to go ahead and strain the pink one as well. It came out a beautiful color, didn't it? Alright, so let's start cocktail number 1. Here I have my shaker, nice and full of ice. And to that, I am going to add 1 shot of the Yellow Peeps vodka. 1 shot of Malibu rum, half of a shot of pineapple vodka, half of a shot of coconut water, and then I'm going to add the juice from half of a lime. Oh yeah, that's a juicy one. Put the lid on it. Make sure it's on tight. And shake, 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 shake. Woo! That is freezing. So now I'm just going to grab my glass. A little bit of lime action around the rim. I have my sugar here. Give a little dipperoo. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's give this bad dude a try. Aha, look at him swimming in there like a little duck. He looks like a little duck in there. Taste. Dude, that's so freaking good. Alright, so let's move on to our Pink Peeps Martini. So I, once again, am starting off with a nice full shaker of ice. I'm going to add in 1.5 shots of my Pink Peeps vodka. I'm also adding in 1 shot of strawberry vodka. I love these little shotty things you can buy. Squeeze of lime. And we're going for kind of a strawberries and cream, peeps and cream, peeps and cream. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 and a little bit, almost 2 shots of cream. Put the lid on there and shake it till you can't shake it. And grab your glass, a little bit of lime around that rim, dip it in your sugar. Gorgeous, look at that. Nice little pinky rim. And, oh ho 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 ho. And in with my little garnish peep. Floating around in there. How completely adorable is that taste? Mmm. Definitely strawberries and cream. Absolutely delicious. So delicious. You guys, I know you are going to love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone.
Backbiteforever.com